Check out this certified pre-owned 2009 Toyota Tacoma. Carfax has certified this Tacoma as having one owner. This Tacoma has just under 79,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This Tacoma boasts a 4.0-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, auxiliary audio input, tow package, driver airbag and side curtain airbags. Call 803-407-5678 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.